Make sure you're being good, okay? Otherwise, I'll sneak down your chimney and steal your presents. It's what I do. You know that.
What's your favorite song?
My favorite song? You know what my favorite song is.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I wanted to try out these Grinch cookies that I picked up. They're from Pillsbury. They're ready to bake. As you can see, they have the 3 hearts and the Grinch head on them. So it's 20 pre-cut cookies. As you can see on the back, you can cut out these Grinch faces, and it's supposed to make an ornament so the kids will have fun doing that. Okay guys, so this is what the cookie dough looks like. So you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Okay guys, on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper, I placed my cookie dough. Remember, we're going to put them in a 350 degree oven. The box says for 12 to 14 minutes. And you want to make sure you don't overcook them. Okay guys, this is the first batch out the oven. And they're pretty cute. So I'm going to let them go ahead and cool off. Okay guys, so the cookies are now done. Look how cute they are. The kids are going to love these. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef. Are y'all hungry yet?